Okay, so I have a vision for this building. Got some pretty good ideas on what I'm wanting to do, but first, there's a few things that I need to do. If you want to add some depth to your door, corners are what go back to the perspective line. Maybe I'll just make that go back in space a little bit. This line here will be perfectly horizontal. Oh no. Ah, I see what's going on. Now, I've got this corner here. It's going to need to go back that way. Alright, now that looks like it's going back into the building a little bit. Now people have a nice little area to hang out in after when it's raining. Ooh, speaking of places to go whenever it's raining, I need to show you guys how to create an awning. Now this is going to be one of the only times you will ever have a line that doesn't either go perfectly horizontal, perfectly vertical, or goes back to the vanishing point, especially if you decide to do an awning that is curved, which I think I do want to do for this one. So what I need to do first is establish where it is going to be. I think maybe it will start. Yeah. Okay. So what you have to do first is draw the shape. The bottom of it needs to be perfectly horizontal. Doesn't matter where you put it just yet. And now, if I am going to make it one of the nice, happy, curved awnings, I'm going to, ever so lightly, try to get it as symmetrical as possible. Curve that. This is only part of the way. This is not an awning. This is some kind of weird sunshine, horizon, decorative part on the building. What I need to do is I need to take this corner and this corner, extend it out. This is an edge that I will also have to extend out in order to create that depth. And then once ever I get all of those lines made out, I'll recreate this shape. I know that was a lot of words, but I'll show you what I mean here just a second. Okay, so from the vanishing point, the corners. Where'd it go? I can't see. There it is. Extending this out a little ways. Now I'm going to move on to my other corner. Where is it? Found it. Extend that on out a little ways. And now the top edge. Do not forget to do the top edge. Now you won't have it drawing right through. Kind of like whenever we did our ribbons, this will be the farthest possible edge that the ruler will connect to. The instant the ruler touches that curve, that's where you start to draw your line out. Okay, so now this is where eyeballing it kind of comes in. Actually, first I need to create the horizontal line to cut it off, like this. Perfectly horizontal now. Perfectly horizontal. Oh no. It looks to me as though I didn't draw it far enough. How dare I? Extend it on down. Looks to me like I have a little bit of an issue where that didn't quite touch. Okay. Now this doesn't look very much like an awning just yet. But just wait. I need to perfectly recreate this shape from this corner. Ignore this line for now. As close as I can get it. Now, this is a solid object, so now I have to erase out any of the lines that would cut through. And that creates an awning.